Some days it doesn't pay to get out of bed, so to speak. Here lately, I've been having trouble sleeping, and a lot of it's got to do with working on clocks. Things get on my mind, and I can't rest. But I have very few clocks that I keep wound all the time in my house. This triple chime grandfather clock is one of them. I went to wind it today. Time side, no problem. Strike side, no problem. Chime side, for whatever reason, the weight came off the hook and it fell into the case. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see in there. Let me get some light. Luckily, I don't see any damage to the case. I mean, it hit hard from about here down. I mean, it hit hard. And these weights are heavy. Now, let me show you the weight. Luckily, I thought maybe at first one of the links came open, but it didn't. So I was able to easily put the chain back on because the access panels that these clocks have. But let me show you the weight. And I'm still working on the Smeckenbecker Hopfenbras clock, and I've been working on this Black Horse shield clock. This thing's got issues. But anyway, in case you want to know how a weight is made, this bar, which is now bent, so I gotta straighten it out. Here's the weight. And as you can see, it's welded together. Get some light in on the situation. There's two halves to this weight, and it's welded together. And then it goes inside a shell. So when you order weights or buy weights off of a marketplace or auction site or whatever, make sure that you're ordering the entire weight and not just the shell, because the shell comes with this cap, this rod, and this piece right here, which hooks to the chain. And why it came off the chain, I have no idea. I should have just stayed in bed and wound up my clock some other time. But anyway, just wanted to show you all that, how a weight is made. Like I said, I could easily fix this. It's just the fact that I've got enough on my plate. Give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments. May God bless each and every one of you. I thought I'd go ahead and finish this. Bar straight. I'm going to use some thread lock high strength thread Loctite. On these parts, as I don't want them coming off. And this is the stuff I bought off of eBay, and it works really well. It came in this box. Why I put the stuff back in that box, I have no idea, because I have another one to put on. Anyway, this goes up like that. This is fed through the weight. And that doesn't make sense. The piece is all the way through, but once I put the cap on, I'm not going to be able to screw that on. Time to investigate. I'm just waking up, and it's 5 p.m. I got my days and nights mixed up. There's an indentation on this cap, so you have to make sure you got the right cap on. And whether that indentation goes to the bottom or the top, I don't really know. I don't think it really matters. I guess I should check out the other weights to see whether the indentation is at the bottom or the top. The indentation was at the bottom. So anyway, I got this thing back together. Yeah, I could sit here and shine this thing up with mothers. But like I said, I got way too many other projects on my mind. So I got the weight back on the clock. By the way, I weighed that way on my digital bathroom scale. Weighs 7 pounds. 7 pounds from this far up, it drops to the floor. I'm surprised it didn't break out that floor of this clock. I got lucky there. Anyway, I hope y'all like this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave some comments, and may God bless, and may the rest of this week go my way.